This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Danielle Logue. This beautiful log cabin is move-in ready. No HOA. Neighborhood has awesome lake access for community homeowners, with a day dock and concrete boat ramp, plenty of room to park your boat trailer while you're on the lake for the day. Lake living without the lake price tag. New carpet in bedrooms, metal roof, 6-month-old HVAC with new air handler. Fully fenced backyard, huge country front porch, back deck, and 2 sheds. One shed is huge and would make a great she shed/man cave. Home would also make a great Air B&B. Award-winning school district and close to shopping, restaurants, and I-77. For more information, review the details below.